Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing parts and making the primary electrical connection. Connect servo power to a stable 5V rail, ground to common ground, and PWM to the chosen microcontroller pin. This prevents noise and brownouts. Once done, mechanically attach the servo horn to the lock latch using the correct spacer so stroke aligns. Make sure to use a torque-limited servo, otherwise the latch can bind. Test rotation with a safe 90 degrees sweep, because that verifies alignment before you commit to mounts and code. Now you integrate code with the mechanical system so motion is reliable and repeatable. Upload a routine that moves to 3 positions: neutral, lock angle, and unlock angle, and include a soft start ramp to reduce shock. Then secure the servo bracket to the door frame so torque is transmitted directly to the deadbolt lever. This avoids bending. Make sure to calibrate endpoints in software and, if possible, add a limit switch or current sense cutoff to prevent stalling and gear stripping when the bolt reaches its stop. Finish by validating the system under realistic use. Run 50 cycles, check for play, and tighten fasteners. Add a manual override and a battery backup so the door remains operable during power loss. Once done, ensure the microcontroller reports status and locks only after confirming endpoint arrival. If things go wrong, like the servo stalls, check mechanical alignment first, then measure supply voltage under load. If voltage sags, add a larger decoupling capacitor or separate supply, or reduce torque with gearing to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.